Oh, wow. Oh my God. Take a second with me. Yes, right now. Slow breath in and out. That feels better, right? Hey, I'm really happy you're here. Truly, you didn't come here by accident.
Yes, I love that calm breath. Hello, my friend. Welcome back. This is your peaceful English space. No stress, no pressure, just friendly voices and easy English.
Exactly. Think of this like sitting with friends. Maybe we're having tea, maybe coffee. We're smiling, we're relaxed, and we're learning together.
Together is the key word. Not fast, not perfect, just real, just human.
Oh, and let me say this clearly. If your heart beats faster when you hear English, that's normal. If your mind goes blank sometimes, yes, that happens to me too.
Oh, wow, yes. Even teachers forget words sometimes. So please, be kind to yourself.
You are safe here. You can make mistakes here. We actually like mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you are learning, and learning means you are growing.
Wow, I love that. Growing slowly, gently, just like a plant in the sun.
Now I imagine English growing like a flower.
Oh my God, yes, a small English flower. And today we water it a little.
Before we begin, one tiny favor. If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us. And it helps you too because we grow together.
All right, are you ready?
Oh, I'm excited already. So tell me, David, where are we going today?
We are going to a place that feels big, busy, and sometimes scary.
Oh, I know this place. Let me guess. Is it the airport?
Yes, the airport.
Oh, wow. Airports. So many people, so many signs, so much English everywhere.
Yes, loud voices, announcements, lines, bags rolling everywhere.
And that little feeling inside like, what if someone talks to me in English?
Exactly that feeling.
Because today, we will make the airport feel easy.
Very easy, very simple.
Today, we will learn how to talk at the airport in simple English. Not fancy English, not fast English.
Just useful English.
English you can really use. English for real life.
We will go step by step.
We will repeat. And we will laugh a little too. Because learning should be fun.
So now, close your eyes for 1 second.
Imagine this. You have a bag in your hand. You feel the handle.
You have a ticket. Maybe on your phone. Maybe on paper.
You hear people walking, talking, rolling bags.
You are at the airport.
All right, let's begin our airport journey. One simple English sentence at a time.
Jessica, imagine this moment with me. You step inside the airport. What do you see?
Oh, wow. I see so many people. People walking fast, people pulling bags. I see big signs everywhere. And oh, I see airplanes outside the window.
Yes, that feeling hits you right away. Your heart feels excited. And maybe, just maybe, a little scared too.
Yes, exactly. And that feeling is totally normal. I feel that way even now sometimes. So if you feel it, don't worry at all.
Good point. Now, you walk inside a little more. You look around. And the first big thing you do at the airport is check in.
Right. Check in sounds big, but it's actually very simple. It just means you talk to the airline staff.
Let's practice together. Slowly, calmly.
Okay, I'm ready.
The staff looks at you and smiles. They say, hello.
You smile back and say, hello. That's it. Easy start.
Very good. Then they may say, may I see your passport?
Don't panic. You simply say, yes, and you give your passport.
Perfect. No long sentences, no hard words.
And listen, this part is important. If you don't understand, it's okay.
Yes. You can say, sorry, please say again.
Or you can say, please speak slowly. Oh, that sentence is gold.
Yes, it really is. Airport staff hear this every day. They will help you.
You are not bothering them. You are just being human. Okay, David, now we are checking in. What else do they usually ask? You can say, I am flying to London, or I am flying to Dubai.
That's perfect English. Nothing more needed.
Then they may ask, do you have any bags?
You can answer easily. Yes, I have one bag. Or, no, I have no bags.
Oh, wow, that's really easy when you hear it slowly.
Exactly. And sometimes they say, please put your bag here.
You don't need to speak, you just smile and do it.
Smiling helps so much.
Yes! A smile says, I'm friendly. I'm trying.
And honestly, a smile is also a language.
All right, check-in is done. Where do we go next?
Security check?
Oh, yes, this part makes many people nervous.
True. But don't worry, it's very simple.
The officer may say, please show your boarding pass.
You say, here you are, and you give it.
Very polite, very clear.
Then they may say, please take off your shoes.
You just take off your shoes. No talking needed.
They may say, please put your bag here.
You put your bag there. Easy.
At security, you don't need many words.
Yes, just listen. And do.
And if you feel confused, you can say, sorry.
That's enough. No one will be angry.
They will help you.
Because remember, you are doing your best.
And you are doing great. Jessica, can I be honest? What if I'm walking around the airport and, oh no, I feel lost?
Don't worry, that happens to everyone. Even people who travel a lot get lost.
Really?
Yes, airports are big. Many gates, many floors. It's normal to feel confused.
Okay. So, what can I say?
First, take a breath, then smile, and say one magic sentence. Excuse me.
Very important words.
Very important and very polite. People stop and listen when you say that. Then you ask a simple question. For example, where is gate 12?
Nice and clear.
Or maybe you really need the bathroom. It happens. You can say, where is the bathroom?
Oh yes, very important question.
Or you're tired and want coffee. You can say, where is the coffee shop?
People usually point with their hand or say, go straight, or over there.
You don't need to understand every word. Just follow their hand.
And don't forget the last step.
Yes, always say, thank you.
A small word, but a big smile comes with it.
All right, now you found your gate.
Yes. Now you sit down. You relax. You wait.
Maybe you check your phone. Maybe you look around. You see people waiting just like you.
You may hear announcements on the speaker.
Oh, wow. Sometimes they are very fast, but that's okay. You don't need to understand everything.
The screen is your best friend here.
Yes. Look at the screen. It shows your flight number, your gate, and the time.
If you feel unsure, ask the staff.
You can say, is this the right gate?
Oh, that is a perfect sentence.
Simple, clear, very useful. Oh, David, look, people are standing up.
That means one thing. Boarding time,
Your heart beats a little faster.
but in a good way.
The staff says, please show your boarding pass.
You smile and say, here you are.
They look at it and say, welcome.
You say, thank you.
Wow, look at that. You're doing airport English already.
Inside the plane, the flight attendant smiles and says, hello,
You say, hello, nice and friendly.
They may say, please find your seat.
You check your ticket, you find your seat, and you sit down. Okay, you're on the plane now. Good job.
Jessica, what if I'm thirsty?
Oh, easy. You say, can I have water, please?
Very polite, very clear.
If you need help, just say, excuse me.
And if you don't understand something,
You can say, sorry, I don't understand.
that's okay. You are learning.
Let me say something important now.
I'm listening.
You do not need perfect English at the airport.
Yes. Simple English is enough,
People want to help you.
and you are brave,
Traveling in another language is not easy.
but you are doing it.
And wow, that is amazing. Be proud of yourself.
All right? Take a small breath with me. Yes. Let's recap together, nice and slow.
Oh, I love this part. This is where everything becomes clear. So, first step.
First, when someone talks to you at the airport, you say, hello.
Simple, friendly. A smile helps too. Even a small smile is perfect.
Second, when they ask, you show your passport.
No long talking, just give your passport and relax.
Third, you answer simple questions.
Like where you are flying or how many bags you have. Short answers are great.
Fourth, and this one is very important, you ask for help if you need it.
Yes. Say, excuse me. Then ask your question. People really want to help you.
And fifth, always say, thank you.
Oh, I love that word. It makes everything warmer.
Very good. See? You already know a lot.
Okay. Now it's your turn. Yes, you listening right now.
Let's practice together. No fear, no pressure.
In the comments, answer this simple question.
What do you say at the airport when someone asks for your passport?
Take your time. Think slowly. Just simple English.
You don't need perfect English. We are really excited to read your answers.
Every answer is a win. Even one word is okay.
Wow! Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Yes, thank you so much. You did an amazing job. Not a race, no rushing, just small steps.
Remember something important. Learning English is a journey, and those small steps,
Oh, they are big steps.
be kind to yourself.
Speak gently to yourself. You are improving. We really do.
You are learning, and we truly believe in you. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye bye for now.
Safe travels, wherever you're going.